Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you AI can read your entire code base and instantly generate UML diagrams, detect architecture smells, and tells you how to redesign your app? Welcome to the future, AI-led architecture reviews. In this video, I'll show you how AI can analyze your full repository, visualize your architecture, and even propose microservice boundaries. We'll use Gemini, VS Code, Clinebot for a fully automated architecture review. Every project grows, and with growth comes chaos. Tangled dependencies, guard classes, circular imports, and mixed responsibilities. Traditionally, architecture reviews take days, but AI can do that in minutes. AI can read code, build UML, suggest improvements, flag smells, and propose microservices. We'll use Clinebot in VS Code with Gemini for the repo-wide analysis. Let's go through the initial steps. We first have to install Cline in VS Code. After installing Cline, you will find the icon over here. Once you select Cline, just go to the settings part and here you will have to add Gemini key. After this, click Done and go back to your project folder. Now I will go to Cline again and I'll start with one of the prompt. Here I am telling it to read the entire repository, map module relationships, draw UML diagrams, identify architecture smells, and suggest improvements and possible microservice boundaries. After thinking, client scans every file, controllers, services, models, and creates a full internal map. Have a look over here. It has defined that this is my front end part, this is my back end part. The front end is a React application, the back end is a Spring Boot application, and it analyzes each and every file for front end as well as back end. And it has also shown us the overall interaction flow. And because AI sees every connection, it can detect problems often missed by humans. Next, the magic. AI converts the code base into UML class and sequence diagrams. So, for that, you'll have to give this prompt. Generate UML class diagram for the entire repository in Mermaid format. After thinking, it has come up with the UML diagram for the entire project over here. So, with one prompt, you get diagrams that take normally few hours. Now let's ask AI to audit our architecture. For this, the prompt which I am giving here is identify architecture smells such as God classes, cyclic dependencies, feature leakage, mixed concerns, and data anemias. AI can now flag things like too many responsibilities in one class, circular service dependencies, abstractions leaking across layers, service accessing repositories directly, and business logic inside controllers. In my case, it has identified the God class, it has shared the mixed concerns, it has even shared data anemia, but it has said there's no significant cyclic dependencies. These smell detections are incredibly useful during refactoring. Now comes the most important part. We'll ask AI to suggest how to fix it. The prompt which I am giving here is propose an improved architecture diagram with recommended layering and modularization. In regular cases, AI may propose moving logic to dedicated services, introducing domain layers, creating shared modules, add API layers for data transformation, introducing DTOs, and many other things. In my scenario, it has given me a map module relationship which was done earlier. If I go down here, it has come up with the overall component diagram. And here it has identified all the issues which I have. So it is saying this is the God class, which is the app.js, which is responsible for all UI rendering. Then it has again given me mixed concerns on the front end app and data anemia. To give the modularization, it is suggesting me component-based architecture, where it is saying break the app.js into smaller, more focused components like template selector, interpolation form, preview display, download button. Each component should have single responsibility. It has even given me state management suggestions, API layer suggestion, form management. On the backend enhancement, it has suggested domain-driven design principle, error handling, configuration management, logging, and testing. Now, it has also given me the possible microservices boundaries, where it is suggesting me to have a typical microservice architecture. Here it is giving me one of the potential microservice can be template management service. The second it is suggesting is file interpolation service. The third, it is saying temporary file storage or download service. And it has also given me an improved architectural diagram. Have a look at it. It has broken it into a complete microservice architecture. The AI has explained every recommendation with reasoning like a senior architect. This isn't just a tool. This is an AI architect sitting beside you. The benefit it gives is speed, accuracy, deep insights, team alignment, cleaner code, and better long-term design. If you want more powerful AI developer tools, like this video and subscribe.